Verifying your bank account on Fundrise is an important step to ensure secure transactions and proper funding for your investments. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Fundrise account. Access your Fundrise account by entering your login credentials on the website or app. Make sure you have your account information ready. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your bank account information. Input your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues during verification. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. Fundrise may require you to confirm your bank account by making a small deposit. Check your bank account for this deposit and note the amount. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Return to your Fundrise account and enter the amount of the deposit you received. This will complete the verification process, allowing you to fund your investments. After following these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on Fundrise, enabling you to start investing. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Fundrise support for assistance.